Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Dr. Alexander Goldin, the founder and CEO of Alango Technologies, Alango Technologies. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be with you and with the audience this evening.
Well, tell us a little bit about the background of Alango Technologies and what you do.
Alango Technologies was founded almost 20 years ago in 2002, and the primary business was developing digital voice and audio enhancement technologies for voice communication and entertainment. So today we are a major supplier of such technologies for communication markets. And that's been our primary business for, as I said, 20 years. But about 4 years ago, we started a new activity, which is the topic of our talk today, probably. And it's we started developing our own brand of products that we called We're Here. And these are for improving lives of hearing impaired people who, for whatever reason, do not use hearing aids.
And specifically what we're talking about, and one of the things that you're talking about at the Consumer Electronics Show, is called the BeHear Access. It's BeHear, it's H-E-A-R, Access. So tell us what this does.
Well, it's simple. It's a kind of we call it personalized hearing amplifier, and basically it provides all the functionality of hearing aid, but disguised in the shape of a stylish Bluetooth stereo headset. So people wearing this device, they don't look old or handicapped. They look cool, fashionable, and so it solves the problem of stigma of hearing aids that many people shy of using hearing aids. So it's a Bluetooth stereo headset with this personalized hearing enhancement inside. And this is our second product. The first product was called, or it is called, BeHear Now. And BeHear Now was designed for a younger generation, for people who are active and they like stylish, very stylish products. And BeHear Access, this is the next version that is designed for older people, which may have some dexterity problems. So it has large control buttons and easy to operate, easy to find them without looking at the headset. Very convenient charging stations, so the people do not need to play with this small micro USB connector to find how to plug it in. And it has one additional feature, which is very important for some cases. It has built-in telecoils inside. So I would say this is the first hearable device integrating telecoils. And telecoils, these are actually receivers that allow you to to receive direct audio in places equipped with induction loop, which is, according to the law, all public places must have such installations.
Interesting. So the design of these, the design is to wear it around the neck, and then the earbuds come up and go into your ears with the small wires. Why did you opt for this design? What are the advantages?
Well, it's actually a very good question, and there are multiple reasons. As an engineer, I can say that if you have a good solution, it's not for one reason, it's always for several reasons. So one advantage for the user is that this device provides what we call situational hearing. So if someone don't need hearing help all the time, then it's easy because I can put the earbuds in my ears only when I need it. And if I don't need it at in a specific moment of time, I can just put them off and it will be comfortably sitting on my neck. And when I have a phone call, it will vibrate and alert me about the phone call, so I can put it into my ears and use it as I do with a regular headset. So it is situational hearing, and it's very, very convenient for people who don't need hearing help all the time. So this is the one reason. The second reason is that this shape provides us a lot of room for having a large battery. So our device can run 12 hours without recharging on a single charge. So for the whole day, you can use this device. So this is the second reason, and it allows us to integrate 4 microphones instead of 2 used in a typical earbud or hearing aid, meaning we can provide much better sound localization and the directivity that it is possible with standard solutions. So these are probably the 3 main reasons why we picked up this specific type for this specific form factor for our device.
Another thing that you focused on is enabling, most likely for the most part, older people to be able to watch TV more comfortably. Tell us how you do that with this.
Yes. It's a very important functionality of BeHear line of devices. Actually, we call these devices it's like Swiss Army knife for hearing impaired. So in one device, you have almost all needed functionality, like personalized hearing amplification. You have Bluetooth hands-free functionality with the mobile phone. And yes, we provide this TV listening system with very high quality sound. How do you do this? You connect BeHear now with our hearing transmitter, and you connect the transmitter to the TV, and then there is a direct streaming of the sound from TV to BeHear. It's important to note that this transmission is low latency transmission. It's not a typical Bluetooth transmission. It's a low latency transmission, meaning there is no sound, lip synchronization problem or hearing double sound, one with delayed one and one is direct one. So that's how it works as a high quality TV listening system. So it provides this assistive listening functionality. Actually, it's not all. We are developing a product. The prototype of it will be shown at CES, which is a remote microphone. So this device can be also used in connected with a remote microphone, which is very helpful in noisy places when the microphone is given to the other person and the voice is tuned directly to the device.
Very interesting. And tell us about the app that works with this, because that's an essential piece of the puzzle, right?
Absolutely. While the device can work in a standalone mode, so you don't need actually the application to have the hearing amplification, everything done in the device itself. But the app is a very important piece, allowing you to personalize the device. So we have a very user-friendly application that you can download for free on App Store or for iOS. So with this application, you can do a simple 5-minute hearing assessment test. It's not a medical procedure, so it's not a strictly speaking hearing test. So we call it hearing assessment test. And that test allows us to understand which processing we need to do to provide the best the optimal hearing for the user with our device. And we personalize all sounds. We personalize ambient hearing. We personalize phone calls and the streamed music. So all sounds are optimized for a specific hearing properties of the user. It has other interesting functions that I would like to mention that also cannot be found in a typical hearing aid. Like during a phone call, this application allows you to enable our easy listen mode, which is slowing down speech coming from the mobile phone from the other side in real time. That means, and it's a problem sometimes for elderly people, for people with hearing loss, that they have problems understanding speech, not even hearing it, but understanding. And this technology greatly improves the understanding, the intelligibility by slowing down the other person voice in real time.
Interesting. So tell us about pricing and availability.
Our first device, BeHear Now, is available now, and it is you can buy it for $249 online from Amazon, our application store, and some of our distributors. BeHear Access will be introduced beginning of next month, right after CES, or maybe even the same time. So that's about availability. It's available now, so everyone can experience it now.
And for more information, where can people go?
It's all available on our site, www.wearandhear.com.
So it's wearandhear.com for more information. And yes, congratulations on the work that you're doing there.
Thank you very much. We are doing our best, as we say, to make our world sound better to all of us.
Alexander Goldin, thanks for taking the time with us.
Thank you very much.
Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.